raining. But it's sunny. Ooh, it stinks. I'm trying to capture the helicopter. I cannot see with my sunglasses on, but I hear it. So hopefully I caught it. If I didn't, sorry. Oh my gosh. It's nice. History behind this, but it's huge. You don't hear any birds this time, huh? It's too early? Or they're all awake now?
You're welcome. Hilton Hawaiian Village for this gorgeous afternoon. We hope you're having a fun time here in our island so far. Now, we always love to start off by making everybody feel a little bit more comfortable with each other. So, we need you to all stand up, please. First step, kate kudasai. Please stand up. Now, we'd like you to take a walk to another table. You perhaps already met those across from you, so take a walk. Go ahead and give somebody a nice big Hawaiian hug. That's what we love to do over here, is hug each other. All right, remain standing. The second part requires us to dance a little bit, so we're going to do a hula. So we're going to be telling that story. This hula is based on 2 steps. The first is kaholo. The kaholo is 2 steps to your right, 2 steps to the left, and you repeat this.
Mai Tai, right?
You want a Mai Tai?
Yeah.
You don't want a pina colada?
Oh, actually, please. Can you give me a pina colada instead? Thank you. Cheers.
Yeah, it's an Osmo Pocket. It's a tiny gimbal. It's a cool little camera. It lasts really long.
I saw when you started, it was like,
Yeah.
what kind of animal do you have?
We have a dog and a rabbit. We have he's a Shih Tzu Maltese. He's a small dog.
Deep in the heart of the mighty Pacific Ocean lay the amazing stories of a revolutionary people who braved the open seas for thousands of miles.
Perhaps many of you are here celebrating your anniversaries, maybe your honeymoon, maybe you're just in love and wanted to spend time here in paradise. We're going to share this song with you called I Love You. There's no other way. I simply have to say, right here, beside you. Oh, as earthly.
Ooh, churro flavor. Thank you. Oh, thank you.